In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the online shopping experience with Overstock.com. Whether you're looking for furniture, rugs, decor, or more, this guide will help you make the most out of your online shopping at Overstock, ensuring that you can shop smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and visit Overstock.com. As you land on the home page, you'll notice a wide array of categories and exciting deals prominently displayed. Overstock is known for its variety and competitive pricing, so take a moment to glance over the sales and highlighted offers. They might have just what you're looking for. The free shipping on orders over $49.99 is a great perk that can save you some extra cash, so keep that in mind as you browse. Next, if you've already picked out items during a previous visit, or if you're ready to review items chosen in this session, it's time to head to your shopping cart. To do this, simply locate the cart icon, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to a summary of all the items you've decided on so far. Here you can review quantities, see estimated delivery times, and get your order subtotal. If you find that there's something you don't need, you can easily adjust the quantities or remove items altogether from your cart. On this page, you may also spot any promotional codes or discounts that you can apply to your order for extra savings. If Overstock is offering specific promotions or if you have a coupon code, make sure you enter it before proceeding to checkout. It's always worth checking Overstock's emails or promotional banners for such discounts. Once you're satisfied with the items in your cart, click on the checkout button to proceed to the final stages of your order. At this point, you will need to either log into your existing account or create a new one. Having an Overstock account not only saves your purchase history, but also allows you to manage returns and track shipments easily, which can be quite handy. After logging in or signing up, you will enter your shipping information if you haven't done so already. Make sure the address is correct to avoid any delivery mishaps. Then proceed to enter your payment details. At this stage, it's crucial to double-check everything from price calculations to shipping addresses to ensure a smooth transaction. With all the necessary details filled out and confirmed, all that's left to do is click that final button to submit your order. You should receive an email confirmation soon after, which will summarize your purchase and provide you with tracking details once your items have shipped. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Overstock.com and completed your shopping journey. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in your online shopping skills. Don't forget to explore the vast offerings Overstock provides and take advantage of their frequent sales. Happy shopping.